From the Expo 2025 venue, bustling with the latest technology and ideas, we passionately present Osaka's world-class cutting-edge technology.
We provide microwave platform technology to manufacturing companies, and microwave is used in microwave oven, as you know, and it is energy saving, very efficient and small footprint. We provide solution for decarbonization through electrification, using microwave as a medium to transfer energy directly to molecule. And we think we can reduce CO2 by 90% in some cases. We think we can contribute to reducing the global warming, and through providing technology, microwave process, which is an electrification process to reduce the CO2 emission from manufacturing industry in general. Our achievement, our breakthrough has been to scale up on an industrial level, as you can see in the diorama, and that has achieved as a big step for industrialization in terms of chemical recycling. We think we can provide solution in terms of decarbonization, as well as achieving circular economy, establishing circular economy through recycling of plastics. So main focus is number one is chemical industry, and number two is mining industry. But we think we can apply this technology in broad manufacturing field, especially for companies who wants to achieve decarbonization as well as energy saving in their business. We see a lot of exhibition from all around the world in Osaka Expo, and we think this is a great opportunity for us to introduce this technology not to just Japan internally, domestically, but to the whole world. So Osaka is a crossroad of industrial infrastructure, and as well as academic and scientific hub. Also, we see this Osaka as a hub, as a gateway to overseas opportunity. So we find this Osaka as a very promising place for a clean tech company like ours.
Expo 2025 has become a springboard for Osaka's technology to skyrocket through co-creation with the world.
More about Open Osaka on our website. Open Osaka.